Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Check out this gorgeous beauty in the form of a 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Painted in a nice driver quality red. There is your 327. You will find some numbers there on the plate. I have pictures of them. The last 6 digits there matches the last 6 of our VIN. That's right. 327. HF is the suffix code, which means 327, 300 horsepower, and a manual transmission. This is a manual Muncie transmission from a 68 or 69, and it is a manual 4-speed. You saw the working headlights. Beautiful running car, great looking car. Stock engine. Nice upgrade with the aluminum radiator, it always helps out. This is also a convertible. I mean, it just keeps on getting better and better. The gauges work. Easy to drive. Easy clutch operation. There's your shifter in the console, 4-speed. Beautiful cushioned bucket seats. No wear, no tear on them whatsoever. Great job. Very easy to get in and out compared to its newer and younger, older brothers, we'll call it. This is an awesome 1965 Chevrolet Corvette. Please do your homework, all of you that are in the know. Check out the price that we have on it and check out the price that it's worth. It's that simple. Do your shopping, do your comparison. You'll see that we are letting this go for an exceptional price. 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, CruisinClassicsInc.com if you want to see a bunch of great pictures. This video, detailed information about this car and all the others we have in stock, or give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out in any way that we can. Make sure you check our current listings to make sure that it is still here. And also hang on to the end of this video. I'll put a bunch of stills in here with some great pictures of the darker spots, hence the engine compartment as well as the interior. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.